I'm not. I'm not gonna work on a beer market. So let me try and see if I can zoom it out. Uh, okay, we'll just work on. I'll just wait for signals on 100 index only. Okay, so I've had a couple of trades without pressing record. So I just said, let me do this one. Uh, my profit percentage has gone up to like, what's it called? 8 point something percent, which is really nice. Okay, so this didn't come up because the bar is big. Yeah, probably, yes, you can see the bar is a very long, big bar. But I'd already clicked on enter anyway. Uh, it's one of the reasons why I don't even like recording anymore because uh, I'll always be anxious to press start, press click, press this. I don't like all the stress that could give. Okay, so I'll pause and I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so I have won the trade. Um, I've already won the trade. Now, during the period where I was waiting, there was a lot of red beer in the signal, but because the percentage was very small, I had to wait for only 100 index. So I only traded 100 index. I traded only 100 index. So now let's go over to the profit table. Okay, now that's the profit table. I'm going to show you the profit table for today. Okay, today's zone. Now I've only done 4 trades. Okay, I did 4 trades and they are all 100 index. And the total profit is you can see they are all 100 index. All of them are all because 100 index gave me more like 6.5 or 7% or so. Then now I have 0.15. So let's go and check what 0.15 is in dollars. That'll be 158. Okay, that's 9.86. 9.86. Now this 9.86 convert to naira should be about 15,600 naira. Like let's just say 15.5. Okay, that's 15.5 for the day. Without going anywhere, without moving anywhere, leaving my house or anywhere, just trading. So far, my robot on the website has not started trading here on the server. Probably something is wrong. I will check it. I have not actually checked on it. Probably the phone I used to monitor it because it was off. So probably that's what could cause that. I'll check that later on. But as you can see, it's easier when you take your time and do just few. The lesser, the better, and you get good results. So, guys, I've only spent probably like 1 hour. I started 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock. I'm done, and I've already made 15,000 there. And so that's good enough. That's fair enough. All right. So, guys, see you next time. God bless you. See you another time. God bless you.